1.5 cup rolled oats, 1/2 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 1/3 cup chocolate chips. Now, if you want these to be vegan, you just add vegan chocolate chips. 2 scoops of protein. That equals 50 grams of protein for these high protein balls. 1/4 cup natural raw honey. 1 cup all natural almond butter. Two to 3 drops, depending on how sweet you like it, of stevia. I'm using French vanilla flavor because it's my favorite. So you just add everything into one bowl and you start mixing. And if it's really dry, you just continue to add a few drops of water until it's all mixed. You want to make sure the protein powder is completely mixed in there, so you don't want any powder or gritty taste in the protein balls. So honestly, for the video, I am using a spoon, but at home, my hands are clean. I wash them and I just do this with my hands. It's a little dry. I'm gonna add a little bit more water. And then because I'm ready to roll them out, I'm just gonna mix it with my hands. Now, if you've ever made Rice Krispie squares, you'll know that they stick to your hands. So the almond butter, peanut butter, any of it will stick to your hands, especially the honey in there as well. So my trick is the same as when I'm making Rice Krispie squares, is to just keep a little bowl of water next to you. And then you literally just get your hands wet before you pick it up, and then it won't stick to your hands, and you can easily, and you just make little balls out of this. Or like my camera guy here is saying, laddus. So you just roll them out, whatever size, I guess, bites that you want. If you have a really bad sweet tooth, you might want to make them a little bit smaller so you don't eat the whole thing. The bigger it is, just the more calories you're going to take in, right? So if you're going to be satisfied with just eating a couple of small ones, I would make them smaller, and I usually do at home. So let's just roll these babies out. All right, now they're done, all rolled out. You just got to pop them in the fridge for 10 minutes. So good. Let me know what you guys think.